Hi guys, welcome back to the next section, that is how to apply blush for your face shape. While blush is a great way to highlight your cheeks and shape your face, however, how you apply blush depends heavily on your face shape. First, figure out the shape of your face. From there, apply your blush accordingly. Make sure to avoid placing blush in the wrong places, such as under your cheekbones, as this can look awkward and unflattering. Alright, let's move on to first lecture, that is determining your face shape. And the first step is determine the widest part of your face. Look at your face in the mirror, scan your face to figure out what portion is the widest. This will give you insight into your face shape. If your forehead, cheeks and jaws are roughly equal in length, you may have a square, round or oval face. Number 2, your face may be heart-shaped if your forehead is widest. Number 3, wide cheekbones may indicate a diamond-shaped face. Number 4, a wide jaw can indicate a triangular or pear-shaped face. And now the next step, look at the shape of your jaw. After determining the widest part of your face, look at your jaw. How round your jaw is indicates your precise face shape. Number 1, round and oval faces have very round jaws. Number 2, square jaws are found on square or diamond-shaped faces. Number 3, a pointy jaw indicates you have a heart-shaped face. And now the next step is evaluate your face's length. Think about how long your face is. Is it longer than it is wide? Draw an imaginary line below your eyes running from ear to ear. Then draw an imaginary line from the top of your nose to your chin. Compare the lengths to get a sense of your face shape. Number 1, round-shaped faces are generally equally as long as they are wide. Number 2, if your face is longer than it is wide, you may fall into any categories other than a round-shaped face. Most faces are slightly longer than they are wide. And now the next step, put it all together. Think about the various factors affecting face shape. Which category does your face most often fall under? This should give you a sense of your personal face shape. Number 1, for example, the widest part of your face is your forehead. You have a pointer jaw and your face is little longer than it is wide. Number 2, based on this information, you most closely fall into the heart-shaped category. Apply blush according to guidelines for a heart-shaped face. Well guys, I'm all done with this lecture. See you in the next lecture.